Hi everyone, welcome to Tony Tech Tutorials, and I'm Anthony Sokwa. I'm going to take you through the functions of every keys on the keyboard and some 15 amazing shortcut keys on the keyboard. So without wasting time, let's jump right into it. These are the various keys on the computer keyboard. Starting from the left, we have the escape key, which is represented with ESC. Then we have the function key from F1 to F12. We have the space bar key. Then we have the navigation key or the editing key. Then down we have the ALT key. We have the Windows key. Then we have the control key. And we have the directional keys and the numeric keys. So these are the various keys on the keyboards. Now let's see what they really do in computing. Alright, here are the 15 amazing shortcut keys on your computer keyboard. So starting from the first one, we have Ctrl+A, which is select all text or other objects. So you use this combination key to select all text or some text of your word processing doc. So this is a second combination key, which is Ctrl+B, which is what used to bold highlighted text. So you can make your text bold with using this combination short code, which is what Ctrl+E to make your word bold. The third one is Ctrl+C, which you use to copy any selected text. So this is what you use to copy a text from your word processing document and paste it in another. Alright, this is a short combination key that you can use to italize your text, which is Ctrl+I to make your text slanted. Also one here, Ctrl+D is used to bookmark an open web page, and also used to open front window in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want the rest of the 10 amazing shortcuts, please let me know at the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell to get new videos when updated. Bye bye, see you in the next tutorials.